Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify battery draining fast on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, the solution one so guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, the first solution is restart the app. So guys, if you have app, so restart app or your iPhone. So after doing restart your iPhone and app, so go to the second solution is go to settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, scroll down here, and after turn this Spotify off here. After turning this Spotify off here, go to the next solution. So guys, the next solution is update your Spotify app. So go to App Store, search Spotify here. So open this. So guys, I have updated already. So if you didn't have updated your Spotify app, so update your app to fix this issue. So guys, and the next solution is remove Spotify widgets. So guys, if you have Spotify widgets on your home screen or like this, so guys, if you have like this Spotify widgets, remove all the Spotify widgets from your home screen. So like this. So guys, after doing this, the next solution is sorry guys the next solution is reinstall app. So guys, uninstall this app Spotify. So after uninstalling app, so install again. So after doing this, so guys, go to the next solution. The next solution is turn off location services of Spotify. So tap on settings, tap on privacy and security. So after going to privacy and security, tap on location services. So tap here and tap to turn this location services off. After turning off location services, so guys, the last method is, so open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for software update of your iPhone. So guys, if you have available any latest software update on your iPhone, so simply go to the settings and update your phone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix your battery running fast for Spotify on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.